Did you know there's a planet covered in burning ice? The exoplanet Gliese 436b is so extreme that its water is trapped in a solid state, even though surface temperatures reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This happens because the planet's gravity compresses the water into hot ice, forcing it to stay solid despite the heat. It's one of the strangest exoplanets ever discovered, a world of burning ice. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. In space, metal can fuse together without heat or melting. This phenomenon, called cold welding, happens because in a vacuum there's no air or moisture to keep metal surfaces apart. If two clean pieces of metal touch in space, they bond permanently. Imagine tools sticking together just by touching. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. Did you know there's a planet covered in lava oceans? The exoplanet K2-141b is one of the most extreme worlds ever discovered. Its surface is over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, covered in endless molten lava, and has supersonic winds reaching 5,000 miles per hour. Even crazier, it has a rock vapor cycle, meaning instead of water, it rains tiny drops of molten rock. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. Did you know that a newly discovered asteroid, 2024 YR4, has a small chance of hitting the moon in 2032? Scientists say there's a 1.5% chance it could collide with the lunar surface. While this asteroid isn't a threat to Earth, astronomers are keeping a close eye on its path. If it does hit, we might witness a brand new crater forming on the moon. Either way, the moon has taken plenty of hits before, and it's still here. The largest water reservoir in the universe is floating in space. Astronomers found a massive cloud of water vapor surrounding a quasar 12 billion light-years away. It holds 140 trillion times the amount of water in Earth's oceans, making it the biggest known source of water in the cosmos. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. Did you know that there's a mysterious dark flow in space? Astronomers have discovered that galaxy clusters are being pulled towards an unknown region of the universe at incredible speeds. This phenomenon, known as dark flow, suggests there might be something beyond the observable universe affecting our galaxies. It's like a cosmic tug-of-war with an invisible opponent. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more fun facts. Did you know there's a planet darker than coal? Meet TRES-2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. It reflects less than 1% of light, making it almost completely black. Scientists think its atmosphere contains light-absorbing chemicals, but they're not sure why it's so dark. Even though it's nearly invisible, it glows faintly red because of its extreme heat, over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. There's a planet made almost entirely of diamond. The exoplanet 55 Cancri A is twice the size of Earth, but its surface is covered in pure crystallized carbon, aka diamond. With scorching temperatures over 4,200 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,300 degrees Celsius, this alien world is one of the most extreme and expensive places in the universe. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more fun facts. If you could fall into Jupiter, you'd never hit solid ground. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface, just endless layers of swirling gas and liquid. So if you tried to land there, you'd just keep falling forever. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts. There's a supermassive black hole that's spinning at nearly the speed of light. The black hole in Galaxy Messier 87 is so massive that its event horizon is the size of our entire solar system, and it's rotating at 99% the speed of light. That's one of the fastest spinning objects ever discovered in the universe. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. There's a planet where you could literally fly. Jupiter's moon Titan has such a thick atmosphere and low gravity that if you strapped on wings, you could flap your arms and take off like a bird. Imagine flying around on another world. Would you try it? Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. Did you know there are giant blizzards happening in space? Scientists have discovered that some young stars are surrounded by massive space snowstorms made of frozen water, methane, and carbon dioxide. These icy particles swirl around in protoplanetary disks, and could be delivering water to forming planets, maybe even worlds like Earth. This means some planets might start their lives buried under cosmic snow. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. Did you know there's a giant wall of galaxies in space? Astronomers have discovered the South Pole Wall, a cosmic structure stretching 1.4 billion light-years across. It's made up of thousands of galaxies, stars, and dark matter, forming one of the biggest structures in the universe. Even crazier, it was hidden from us until recently because it's behind the Milky Way. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. There's a hidden ocean beneath the surface of one of Jupiter's moons. Scientists believe Europa has a vast subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, containing twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Some scientists think it could even harbor alien life deep below the ice. Could Europa be our best chance at finding life beyond Earth? Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. Astronomers recently discovered a planet where it literally rains liquid iron. The exoplanet, called WASP-76b, is so close to its star that temperatures reach 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit on one side, hot enough to vaporize metals. At night, that iron condenses and falls as molten rain. Space is wild. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts. Did you know Jupiter has a storm that's been raging for over 350 years? Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that's twice the size of Earth. Its winds reach over 400 miles per hour, making it one of the most powerful storms in the solar system. Scientists believe it may be slowly shrinking, but for now, this giant storm is still going strong. Who else finds this incredible? Tag a friend who loves space. Get ready for the Lyrid meteor shower. On the night of April 22, 2025, the Lyrids will light up the sky with up to 20 meteors per hour. These fast and bright meteors can even leave glowing trails that last for seconds. For the best view, find a dark spot away from city lights and look up after midnight. Tag a friend who needs to see this. There's a gigantic canyon on Mars that makes the Grand Canyon look tiny. Called Valles Marineris, this Martian canyon stretches over 2,500 miles long. That's nearly the width of the United States. It's also 7 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. Imagine the views from the edge. Would you hike this massive Martian canyon? Drop a like if you'd love to explore Mars. Don't forget to follow for more space facts. Did you know that there's a planet where it snows metal and has ice made of lava? Meet K2-141b, an exoplanet so extreme that its oceans, atmosphere, and even rocks are made of molten lava. On the night side, temperatures drop so low that metal vapor freezes and falls like snow. Talk about a wild weather forecast. Did you like this fact? Feel free to like and follow for more random facts. Did you know there's a massive cold spot in the universe? Astronomers discovered a mysterious area in space that's much colder than it should be, and it's 1.8 billion light-years across. Some scientists think it's caused by a supervoid, a huge empty region with fewer galaxies. Others believe it could be something even stranger, evidence of parallel universes colliding. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. Scientists have discovered a planet that shouldn't exist. Meet Toi Daughter, a massive planet with no atmosphere, just a bare rocky core. It may have once been a gas giant like Jupiter, but something stripped away all its gas, leaving only its core behind.
Scientists still don't know how it survived or what caused this bizarre transformation. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. Did you know there's a planet where a year lasts just 18 hours? Meet NGTS-10b, an exoplanet that orbits its stars so fast that a full year is shorter than a single Earth day. It's so close to its star that its surface is likely hotter than molten lava. Scientists think it might be spiraling even closer, meaning one day it could be completely destroyed. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space. Did you know there's a super Saturn with rings 200 times bigger than Saturn's? Astronomers discovered an exoplanet called J407b, which has the largest ring system ever found. If these rings were around Saturn, they would be visible from Earth with the naked eye. The rings are so massive that they may even be forming moons around the planet. Who else finds this mind-blowing? Tag a friend who loves space.